Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the essential nutrients that can promote knee joint health. Maintaining healthy knees is crucial for leading an active and pain-free life. By incorporating the right nutrients into your diet, you can support the health and functionality of your knee joints. Join us as we explore the key nutrients that play a vital role in promoting knee joint health. One of the essential nutrients for promoting knee joint health is vitamin C. This vitamin is known for its role in collagen production, which is essential for the maintenance of healthy cartilage and connective tissues in the knee joints. Incorporating foods rich in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, into your diet can help promote better knee joint health. Omega-3 fatty acids are another important nutrient for promoting knee joint health. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and pain in the knee joints. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids support overall joint mobility and lubrication. Foods like fatty fish, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones, including the knee joints. This vitamin helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone strength. Adequate levels of vitamin D can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, which can impact the knee joints. Sun exposure, fortified dairy products, and fatty fish are excellent sources of vitamin D. Glucosamine and chondroitin are two important nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining healthy knee joints. These compounds are natural building blocks of cartilage and help support its growth and repair. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce pain and inflammation in the knee joints. Glucosamine and chondroitin supplements are widely available and can be beneficial for individuals with knee joint issues. Incorporating these essential nutrients into your diet can significantly contribute to maintaining the health and functionality of your knee joints. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplements. Thank you for watching.